Journaling is basically a personal record to pen down your thoughts, observations, experiences, and ideas that you keep together in a journal to reflect on a regular basis. Most people journal daily, weekly, or as often as they need to, getting out their thoughts, sorting them out, and it also helps them to stay sane. And today we'll look at 5 powerful benefits of journaling for your mental health. Number 1, it helps with trauma. So according to research, journaling has been found to increase resilience and to decrease symptoms of depression, reduce stress, and help stop rumination in people going through trauma. In essence, being able to write out in a journal deep thoughts and feelings, for instance, for those who have PTSD or who have experienced any traumatic events, is very helpful. So yeah, setting aside a few minutes, say like 10 to 15 minutes every day to write whatever feels right is therapeutic for trauma and does not have to follow any set of structures. You keep it private and you write to your heart's content. Even for those who have not experienced any serious traumatic events, journaling is good for anyone to use to boost one's mental health. Sometimes, the kinds of journals most people like to do are like gratitude journals. Gratitude journals are more organized kinds of gratitude lists, which we mentioned in this video. And recent research does suggest that practicing gratitude by journaling can prevent mental illness and can boost our mental health overall. Number 2, it helps with anxiety. Writing down your thoughts in the form of journaling is very effective for coping with chronic anxiety, as it is helpful for reducing anxiety, for lessening feelings of distress, and for increasing well-being. Journaling is indeed a highly recommended and effective stress management tool and can help control and improve mood swings. When you journal, you keep anxiety in check as it assists you to identify the problems you may be facing and how to deal with them one after the other. It also helps you address your fears, phobias, and setting concerns you may have about life. Some people use anxiety journals that have certain questionnaire formats to help them navigate and manage their anxiety symptoms. Some regular formats used are, for instance, like this one. List down all the things that you are worried about right now and feel free to write as many as you can. Or list down your anxiety triggers. Or write down some things you can do to help you manage your anxiety, and so on. If you need help with journaling prompts or formats for managing anxiety, you can send me an email. My email is in the description and I will help you out. They really do help to prevent and to calm anxiety, helping people learn about their triggers and how to curtail chronic anxiety. Journaling can help you be completely raw, honest, and very expressive, expressing those deepest feelings without having to share it with anyone, keeping you feeling safe. So it's great to try out. Number 3, it helps you gain confidence. When you journal, you tend to become more self-aware and more intuitive to your needs, which can help you gain confidence. You air out what's in your head and on your mind, and you're able to make better decisions and take better steps and actions. Journaling can help you create a sense of better judgment and better perspectives on life, and that can help you gain confidence. Journaling can also help you know your strengths and to be confident in them. You gain this strength by uncovering your weaknesses and vulnerabilities, which journaling inspires. Journaling helps you reflect on recent occurrences. It helps you uncover your personality and your character, helping you to get to know yourself better. If you would like to use or try journaling for gaining confidence, I invite you to write out qualities that make you unique. Doing this can help you acknowledge your self-growth, your efforts, and also help you know where you are doing well and where you need to work on. A number of people do self-esteem journals to help boost and gain confidence. And it can be very effective because journaling has the power to change your thoughts, change your self-esteem, and stop self-limiting beliefs, and will help you then gain that much needed confidence. Number 4, it helps you get quick self-therapy. I believe that journaling is one of the most simple yet effective ways to help one to improve their mindset. One way to use journaling as a quick self-therapy tool is, for instance, write a short note to thank your body for how it has carried you through life, or like this one. Write a quick note or even a detailed one to thank your heart for working non-stop for you, even till date. Or this one. What are your top go-to activities or habits to help reduce stress, to help you practice self-care, and to help you feel good? Yeah, stuff like this. Basically, this is usually called journal therapy, and it helps you write down what's going on with you and can walk, you through it by analyzing your issues and your concerns. It is called therapeutic journaling too, and allows you process your thoughts and your feelings in a reflective way that is an effective way or form of therapy. It works if you're getting therapy or not. Well, even after you've had therapy, something that you can use alongside therapy sessions. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, try therapeutic journaling. It's not a total replacement for therapy, yet it's a tool that can help you feel better, create meaning, and assist any cognitive behavioral therapy CBT that you may be getting. You deep dive into your thoughts and experiences, and you gain, new insights and perspectives that can help you walk through difficulties and challenges that will help you move forward. Number 5, it helps you gain clarity. If you're able to find somewhere quiet to sit and write, that's the best way, to form a good habit of journaling. I like journaling, especially when my mind is getting too busy and clogged up, as it helps me calm down and to gain clarity. I can unload. If you struggle with forming the habit, you can schedule it into your day or your week. Research has shown that journaling can help improve psychological well-being, mental health, reducing intrusive thoughts, improving working memory, and helping one gain clarity, a clearer mind. Yes, journaling can help improve your focus, because jotting down your thoughts and feelings can help you understand how you are currently feeling. You will understand yourself better, be able to solve problems easier, and it can also help you resolve conflicts. Having mental clarity is so important, and journaling can help you achieve that by you being able to, for instance, write about your emotional state, express daily gratitude for everyday comforts, and a couple of other ways we will discuss in part 2 on journaling. So do stay tuned for that. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Feel free to share your insights in the comments, and do remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.